Everybody poops. Basically, every single human and animal on this planet defecates. So why aren't we constantly stepping in smelly piles of waste? Who cleans up this gigantic mess? We can give a lot of thanks to one amazing group of insects, the dung beetles. The humble dung beetle's sole motivation is to consume, collect, and bury steaming piles of poo. Dung beetles are an incredibly diverse group and do their business in a wide variety of ecosystems on every continent except Antarctica. Their unique life history involves tunneling and rolling under, in, and around dung pats, and burying their eggs in brood balls below the soil surface. When dung beetle populations reach healthy sizes, a single pat may be colonized by thousands of dung beetles. Within a matter of days or hours, the dung pat is removed from the surface and the precious nutrients inside are incorporated into the soil and surrounding plants. This activity is so valuable that scientists refer to dung beetles as ecosystem service providers. Their tunneling and dung burial has been shown to increase plant growth, reduce water runoff, increase nutrient cycling, and act as biological pest control in agricultural ecosystems. Dung beetle activity has even been shown to reduce greenhouse gas emissions. These valuable activities translate directly into savings for farmers and ranchers. One study found that dung beetles provide ecosystem services valued at $380 million per year in the US. Despite their importance, little is known about Kansas dung beetle species or their community structure. This is important information because research shows diverse dung beetle communities have a greater ability to provide valuable ecosystem services. In my study, I looked at dung beetle abundance and compared it with factors like soil texture, livestock species, and plant abundance. I wanted to ask, what factors affect dung beetle community structure? And does increased dung beetle abundance correspond with increased plant growth or reduced soil compaction? Preliminary results show that dung beetles communities associated with bison and cattle differ. This is the first study that compares dung beetle community structure associated with bison and cattle. This information could be invaluable for farmers or ranchers who want to apply anti-parasitic medications to their livestock with minimal impact on beneficial dung beetle communities. Many farmers and ranchers are not aware of the toxicity of these medications or even of the benefits dung beetles could provide them. I want to inspire interest in dung beetle management and conservation and share the true value of this incredibly beneficial and charismatic group of insects. Because without dung beetles, I think life would really stink.